Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Here you'll find a whole bunch of Volkswagen related videos, including car shows, car repair videos, and the occasional part of tool review. Here are some clips from some of my videos. If you like them, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Alright, so the paint gun's all set up now. I've got the paint cup, the gun, the filter, and the regulator. So now I'm going to go clean it and then do a paint test. Okay, here they are in their full form. You can see there's definitely a few dents and scratches and stuff, but you know, for $26 each, you can't go wrong with these.